people worshiping their own selves. I want to become well known to the people. I want to become actor or football player or celebrity. One of the evil things in the world, but very exclusive people, they want to go for that. Everybody want to become powerful in community, in barangay, in cities, in towns, in country, and some people, they want to become superpower of the world. That is one of the great idol. That is one of the big idol which people worshiping, the power idol. The idol of power. I want to become powerful. I want to become strong. I want to become ruling on the people. I want to become the God of the people, like Pharaoh when he was a king, the Pharaoh. What they say? Ana rabbukum al-ala. I am your Lord, the Most High. See? Why make the Pharaoh become God? Because he wants, I am the powerful. I am the strong. That is the God. The people, they don't want to become the ruler. They want to become God for the people. They want the people worship for them. Even in the election campaign, people want to charity. They want to show to the president, I'm doing this charity to you to become president. Subhanallah. They give charity. They make medical mission. They do this all agenda. I'm doing it for the mayor. I'm doing it for the governor. Subhanallah. The charity is for Allah, for God, but they are doing it for election. They are doing it for the showing off to the people so they can give them word, so they become power. Power is become God for the people. That is one of the God in the people mind. The other people are the worshipper for the power, and other people, they are the candidate for the power. The power become the God for the people. What Islam teaches us, never make your ruler the person who want to become your ruler. Because they're greedy. You make your ruler, you make your leader who doesn't want to become your leader. Because he is honest. He has no agenda. He has no any need. I don't want to be your leader. I don't want to be president. I don't want to be mayor. I don't want to be your governor. No. I am a humble person. That is the person you need to choose because he has no greediness. He has no desire to rule on you. But what happened today in the world, in America, everywhere? They are president. I want to be president because he is hungry for the power. The power is become a God of the people. The majority of the people, they worship the power, and there are some people who want to become powerful to become the God for the people. And you can see the example is the Pharaoh. Ana rabbukumul ala. When he is the king, the Pharaoh, he said, I am your Lord for all of you, and I am the most high. I am the most great. So what is it? It is idol worshipping today. People are doing charity for election. I give the money for the people. I give food to the people, rice to the people. I give medicine to the people. Why? So people will choose me to be their leader. So I become power. I become the God for the people. You want to become a leader, not for your own self, but for sake of God. I want to become leader so I can serve people. I can become the servant to the people. What is Islamic ideology? Your ruler is your servant. Your ruler is your serviceman. They are giving service to you. They are not king over you. By no means. Your president, your prime minister, your ruler, your governor, they are become your servant. They have to serve you as a servant. That is the ideology in Quran, in Islam, in Torah, in Injil. The ruler should be a service to the human being. But when the ruler for himself, I want to become God of the people. The people can worship me. So may Allah save us from shirk. We don't need to shirk. We have only one God who is control our profit and loss, who control our life and death, who control our honor and dishonor. Izzat and Zillat is controlled by our God. And we live and die for him. And we do everything for his sake and not for our agendas at all. May Allah guide us. Ameen.